A great keyword tool is also free. It's Google Keyword Planner. It allows you to do keyword research and discover new keywords and brainstorm keywords. And it also gives you an indication of competition and expected search volume. So it'll tell you how many competitors you're up against and how much traffic you can expect. There is a downside, and that it's based on Google Ads. So it's based on people paying for advertising. It's based on more commercial and branded keywords because it's for advertisers. That said, if you're serious about keyword research, it's highly likely that you're going to be going after terms that are valuable and that people will want to advertise on. So it is relevant, it's just not 100% targeted towards organic. So let's look at discovering new keywords and put in a root term. You'll hear us talk about long tail and medium tail and head keywords, and it's important for us to understand that single word terms are difficult and they're also unlikely to result in business because they're so vague. So if I put in SEO as a search term, you're going to see that in the United Kingdom, it's saying the competition is low. But we know that search engine optimization agencies and consultants are going to be competing with us for that term. And the price for these doesn't look cheap either. Keep in mind when you're doing your keyword research, you have to also do the actual searches. Don't just rely on the data. If I change this to USA, there's a far higher reach than the UK, and the terms are going to be completely different. Instead of a hypothetical like SEO, let's do a real keyword research exercise. I've got a domain name which is for a travel website. It's a place that's one of my favorite in the world called Antibes, and it's in the south of France. So if I put in Antibes and get the results, it'll show me the root term, the single word, and it'll also show me what kind of things people search for. And as I said, it's a travel term, it's a place. So Antibes Hotel is likely to be a popular one. And the 3-month change is likely because we're now, as I record this, in cold weather. It says the competition's low and the price is inexpensive. That's interesting because it's a popular tourist destination in the south of France. So we've got France, we've got specific terms there, we've got Airbnb, accommodation, hotel, and booking. So these are obvious terms that we probably want to rank for if we want to make advertising income or affiliate income, B&B, and it's giving us 530 keyword ideas. We can download these and we can analyze it in Google Sheets, and here we've got search terms, and you'll see that the competition is a number. So we can sort the sheet. If we do sort range, we can say that it's got a head column, header row, and we can sort by the competition. So look, we need to format this as a number, and then we can sort by the competition. If you use a keyword suggestion tool, we can get a list of ideas here as well. And so this is from YouTube. These are video ideas. Going back to the keyword tool, we can paste and get search volume and forecasts for a list of phrases. So this is how many searches we can expect to get in the UK for the phrases that we just found. Lastly, we can do some competitor research. We can take a competitor and we can put the URL in, and then we can see what search phrases we can extract. So if I'm in Antibes, is number one, we're not going to be able to compete against them, I don't think. Let's have a look at Welcome to Antibes. Looks like a professional website. Got news, things to do, plan your stay, and it's from a professional web publisher, it seems. So let's have a look. And as expected, it's got Antibes hotels, holiday rentals, Antibes holidays, a lot of useful ideas, and we can download those as before.